Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a comforting tomato soup for cold and cough. This nourishing recipe provides essential vitamins and antioxidants, crucial for supporting your immune system. Warm liquids are excellent for soothing a sore throat and helping to clear congestion. Staying well hydrated is key when you're feeling under the weather, and this soup makes it easy and delicious. For this recipe, you'll want ripe, juicy tomatoes, which are packed with vitamin C. Don't forget garlic and ginger. These are fantastic for their natural immune-boosting qualities. A good onion forms a savory foundation, and fresh herbs such as basil or oregano will elevate the flavor, making your soup truly comforting and delicious. Start by gently sautéing your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger until they are fragrant and softened. Next, add your fresh tomatoes and let them simmer until they break down and become tender. Once cooked, carefully blend the mixture until it reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. Finally, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. Serve your warm, comforting tomato soup immediately, perhaps with a small drizzle of good olive oil for extra richness. A sprinkle of fresh basil or a few crunchy croutons can add a lovely touch. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When ready to enjoy again, simply reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.